How to download iMovie app on your iPhone. If you want to download iMovie app on your iPhone to edit your videos or photos, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you are connected to internet. After that, open App Store. Now you can see the search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and on the search bar type in iMovie. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official app of iMovie, and here click on this Get button to download it. After the verification, your download will be started, and it may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you can see Open button like this. Click on Open to use iMovie app on your phone. And this is how you can download iMovie on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.